Andun din. Andun na sila lahat.
Kaya po kayo na lang po relatives niya.
Oo.
Pinsan niya yun.
Person po niya. Si Ma'am Juby po, ano po.
Ba't ano bang palaro yan?
Ano po, may mga question po, gano'n.
Ah.
Tapos kasi may GC po yan. Pag active po kayo sa GC niya at nagtanong siya, ano po kayo sumagot? Yun po.
Ayun.
Tapos pag maraming followers po na nakapagpa-like sa page niya, mananalo din po kayo 1,000 ang kagalingan.
Kumbaga sa vlogger siya, ano?
Oo, nag-vlog po siya.
Nagbablog.
Paano po gawin? Picture lang po muna.
Hindi. Ano na yun yung video? Ito na.
Ayan.
Kailangan, ayan. Parang
Ayan. Okay.
Hi there, Judy here. I ordered some plants during the winter time, and they arrived this week. I picked them up from the mailbox 2 days ago. I did open it earlier, but I haven't looked through it yet. So let's open this. I ordered some roots from Veseys, and I believe that was in January or February. They don't usually deliver until it is ready for planting. Otherwise, they're going to die. It's a reddish-orange colored flower. Okay, I think they bloom sometime in summer. This one is Miss Clementine. It is, yeah, Miss Clementine. So Miss Clementine and 3 Miss Clementines. This must be the tangerine, of course. Okay, this is the Avon's Totally Tangerine Roots. This one is tangerine. Another tangerine. Yep, it's a tangerine. And this is just some instructions. Tomorrow, I hope it's going to be a sunny day and sunny and warm. That's all I wanted to, so I could do some yard work. These are T-posts, you call T-posts. I've been painting this one. I painted them black, but I haven't finished them yet. See, it's still green on the other side. Well, anyways, let's open this one up. These are here's one. Let's see. This is Ikium. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's growing. And let's read it. It usually blooms in springtime, but if I then have them often remove the spent flowers, then they're going to rebloom in summer and fall. That's good. I only ordered one. And this is Gentiana Blue Cross. It's a blue, it's growing, but I think it needs some water. It's still moist though. But I'll probably put some water just to make sure. Just a little bit of water. Bloom time is midsummer to early fall. The hardiness is -40. 10 inches tall plant. It's not very tall and prefers well-drained soil. Exposure is sun or part shade. And this is in the plastic container. This is Pulmonaria Blue Ensign. Comes back every year. Pulmonaria, this is for shades. And the height for this one is 12 inch by 12, and this is good for partial to full shade. There's another one. Another, ooh, red colored. It's Calenium Potter's Wheel. And height is 32 inches by 32. Oh, that's tall. It's almost 3 feet high. And it needs some full sun and moist but well-drained soil. This is the Lupin. It's a blue color. It's almost violet, I think. It's a mini gallery blue bicolor lupin, and it blooms in spring. Exposure is sun to hard shade. Height is 14 to 16 inches tall. I think I ordered 2 of this. Let's double check. Yeah, I ordered 2 lupins. Okay. Oh, this must be another lupin. Oh, almost dropped it. Yep, another lupins. This one is Delphinium. Here's the Delphinium grandiflorum summer cloud. It's a larkspur. So it's a blue one. Beautiful blue. Okay, it blooms in summer. It needs sun to part shade and water. Keeps soil evenly moist, and it grows up to 10 to 12 inches high. Let's find the other Delphinium. Nope, not this one. There are only 2 left. It must be this one. Yep, it's this one. Okay, and it's growing. It looks dead, but this one looks like it's growing. Is it? Yeah, it's moist. So yeah, it's moist. So I think it's going to grow. Aster alert. It's a perennial as well. It's a pink-colored flower. So this one will bloom in late summer to fall, and exposure is sun to part shade. Water keeps soil evenly moist, and the height is 15 to 12 inches. No, I read that backwards, so it should be 12 to 15 inches tall. And it grows in USDA zone 3 to 8, and we are in zone 3. So this is hardy for Winnipeg, for Manitoba. Let's clean up. Let me just clean up. Okay, anyways, thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Your comments would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated. Again, thank you, and until next time, bye-bye.